breaking one just in coming in from officials of the FUFA. That's FUFA Drum, the biggest league, the most loved league, if I may be more correct to say this. The draw has just been released, and do you know what? One of the toughest group is where Acholi people falls. Let me begin straight away with the last group. There are 4 groups, A, B, C, D, and so the last one is Group D. Let's start away by Group D. In Group D, which provinces are available in Group D? We find Iteso province is available, Toro province, Kampala, and then Kampala is struck with Bukedi. So Kampala is sometimes known as Bukedi. So Kampala is in Group D alongside Toro province and Iteso province. So Group C, we have Basoga province, Chigezi province, and then Banyoro or Zori province. And also, when we move again to the second last group, we find in Group B, there is Lang province, a very tough team, that's our neighbor, who are going with Uganda province. They're also a tough one. Then also Acoli struck Sebe. Acoli are also learning to be tough these days, if I don't mean to joke. Yeah. So Acoli, or the Sebe, Uganda and Lang province are in the same group, that is Group B. That's where they are being tied in. Then this group, most likely I'm calling it the group of the dead. The group of the dead because Group A is having Acholi province, that is Bekori Palieji, and then West Nile province, and lastly Gisu struck Karamoja. Now, what you must know is Karamoja is trying to pick up, but also one thing that makes Karamoja a tough one is because proven they play a lot of rough games. That is one thing that has been proven. And also the Bagisu, they are proven to be very tough in the games. And for the Acholi province, you well know, they're very strong. One of the defending champions of recent years, Acholi is one of the people having that title of the FUFA Drum. And also the West Nile province, you know, tough. That group is the group of the dead. Thank you so much for getting to know the draw of the most loved league or football league in Uganda. That is the FUFA Drum. Thank you so much. Nice time.